Hello there, Internet world. My name is Rene Jones with Total Logistics Solutions, and in honor of Black History Month, today we're going to talk about African-American inventor born in Cincinnati, Ohio, named Willis Johnson. Willis Johnson, on February 5th, 1884, patented the egg beater. The beater was made up of a handle attached with a series of spring-like whisks used to help mix ingredients. Prior to his egg beater, all mixing ingredients were done by hand, were quite labor intensive, and took a lot of time. In fact, what Willis had really created wasn't just an early egg beater, it was a mixing machine. His device was obviously not only intended for eggs. Johnson had designed his egg beater and he used it for mixing eggs, batter, and other baking ingredients. It was a double acting machine with two chambers. The batter could be beaten in one section and eggs could be beaten in another, or one section could be cleaned while the other section continued to beat whatever was in the mixing bowl. My name is Rene Jones with Total Logistics Solutions. Let me know through the comments if you knew about Willis Johnson creating or inventing the egg beater. You can visit this video and other videos on the web at logisticsociety.com. That's logisticsociety.com with one S. And don't forget about Willis Johnson the next time you're beating your eggs. Thanks.